From the Applicants menu, create a new applicant. Enter their first and last name and address state. Scroll down and provide the applicant's address. Only name and address are required to pre-fill drivers and vehicles from Fenris Prefill. Save the new applicant. At the top right of the form, select Pre-fill drivers and vehicles. Confirm the address provided and accept the usage agreement. You're now presented with a list of drivers and vehicles found in the household. Check the ones you would like to include in the quote. When you're done, select Pre-fill. Now, when you go to create an auto quote, the pre-filled drivers and vehicles will be available under their respective tabs. You have now successfully pre-filled drivers and vehicles using Fenris Auto Prefill.